Hi guys! Welcome to Newport Beach. So I just wanted to show you Corona del Mar. Newport Beach and Corona del Mar. So since Anna is still here with us, sabi ko kay Austin, dalhin namin siya sa favorite location namin dito na sa beach areas. So we're gonna go to Marguerite. So again, nandito tayo sa Corona del Mar. Magandang area dito guys. Yung mga bahay dito, they range from the high, like, mga $10 million, ganyan, $13 million. I-convert yun na lang sa pesos yan. Pero ano dito, high-end yung mga bahay dito. Ang lalaki talaga guys. Very nice. And I want to show that sa inyo. So we're gonna make a right here. Ayan. And when you make a right here, makikita nyo na yung dagat. So, ito yung mga houses dito. Ito pa yung mga smaller homes. And when we reach dun sa dulo, I'm not sure if you can see it kasi medyo bright. But, coast na yan. Yan na yung side ng mapa ng California. And these are some of the beach homes right here. Ayan. Not really. So guys, I wanted to show you yung mga bahay. Look at the houses guys. It's so pretty.
Wow.
So yung mga tao dito guys, very rich talaga. As in they would buy the bahay, iti-tear down nila even though it's really pretty. And magagawa sila ng sarili ng design. Like this corner house before, there was a house there dati. Wala na. Bago na naman. Tinear down nila Austin yung isang bahay na favorite ko. Right there. Multi-million dollar homes to guys. Kasi kita nyo. Yeah, kasi guys, so kita nyo naman yung view. Ito guys, favorite ko rin ito na bahay. Ito, this one, no? Pero nag-fade na yung paint niya. Or they changed it. Red dyan, Austin, so you can't. Usually,
pero is it around here?
Yeah. Yeah. So, dito kasi right.
Park on this.
Yeah.
Where you can...
Oh! There used to be a house there, guys. Tinanggal na rin. Like I said, like yung people, they buy the house, and then tinitear down nila, and then...
Wow, look at this one.
You know what? That house, Anna, it's very thin. Payat lang yung strip of land na yan. So, nung nag-build sila, oh, that one is my favorite then, you know? That one, the blue one. And then this one is down there. Wow. We'll be back, guys. Hi guys, so we're out. So again guys, Corona del Mar, and these are the homes here. And may mga houses down there, and then overlooking the ocean. And this is Corona del Mar, guys. I just wanted to show you how it looks. It's very nice here. And the houses are over there. And itour ko pa kayo. Sayang guys, masyadong very sunny and bright. Alam niyo guys, nung bata ako, I would go down the stairs right there. And then there's like, parang mga rocks. Nakaktaan ako sa rocks. And then I would go over dyan. And then, may stairs yan. Yan ang yung stairs. Oh, can you see the stairs? Hold on. I would go down sa stairs na yan. And I would go swimming there. Oo, I would go swimming there with my friends. Nung bata pa ako, like in the 90s. Kakatawa. Yan. Kasi before, you have to go to the other side to get to the stairs. So dati yan na siya na shortcut ko. So anyways, this is Corona del Mar. And this place is called Marguerite. And it's so pretty here. And hindi siya crowded. Wala masyadong tao. Hi guys, welcome to Corona del Mar. This is close to Newport Beach, and it's really pretty here.